Finally, Kevin Ekolbedu Taylor busia wabeduru Ghana. Okatakyie Afrifa abema tip off baby Kevin Taylor ewo sisi ya. Se ye pene hu no Ghana ebetimi akọ na yakọ akọchia no. Aha ye Penyah blog video mesere wa se obe like video na obe subscribe button. So click the notification icon no. Na be kire wadwen area ma me ewo comment section. It is a Ghana ha ye peni papa akọ Ghana fo nyina eni da nanim pese ye hu no pa. Echia no ye na wa atu a eye Ekolbedu Taylor. Kevin Taylor Ghana for do na penatwe am say Kevin Kra we ye sha like bebre because ye to ba wie ye e no announce say oh meba Ghana wa ma Ozaka say okay dey dey ma ha betena kunya no so no that day in fact now all the Ghanaians were expecting Kevin Taylor because all the two abani wie kwa na wantimi ama dey dey Mohammed tena kunya so dey na ka Ghana fo nyina e expect Kevin Taylor because wa konkoden ama Ghana what I say wa konkoden ama Ghana but at the end of the day no dan ke nyina ye twense ko beba na ye nyina ya gie because 7th January dey na ye ni gie da ye de Mohammed tena kunya so no na say Ghana again the second independence it no ye energy eda but Ekolbedu Taylor wantimi an show up Kevin Taylor wantimi show up now I was like ali Kevin Taylor yi ade ordinary dream BT ara because oh na so beba Ghana that's wantimi ama aje na ekwe abusia enra ana Okatakyie Afrifa Okatakyie Afrifa on Kevin Taylor ewo beef na enra ana Okatakyie Afrifa on Facebook eno ko make a post eno chirim say Kwamai kese ana says or refer to Kevin Taylor just got to Ayeldo in a 4x4 vehicle with the registration number GE 1660-7 eno try say coward Taylor I was like asebe no Okatakyie Afrifa again Okatakyie Afrifa again listen post o chire mu Kevin Taylor ewo Ghana I say say ana yente ye that's what ye ebia wabana do no atete kakra ye behu no emu ana another post esaba you flow Okatakyie Afrifa na another actually say Lady Taylor nesa akwado address Kevin Taylor say oyoba Kevin Taylor yoba Lady Taylor just swapped his car for a Toyota Hilux next what chirem say Kevin Taylor car na anu jinya chirem say eye 4x4 na otimu no ana say 4x4 registration number GE 1660-17 otimu no was swap car no akwaji Toyota Hilux with a registration number GE 5533-23 let's say was swapping no 4x4 no abeje Hilux with registration number 5533-23 and it is black and that check car no team no kana Kevin Taylor team no black in the registration number asama the color of the car acha say ni Kevin Taylor ewo Ayeldo and Ayeldo so na Kevin Taylor papa wo Ayeldo na Kevin Taylor papa ho na Kevin Taylor papa edi ade oyo hene what I say Ayeldo ho no e ho na Kevin Taylor papa wa odi ade oyo hene wo ewo Ayeldo me kai Kevin Taylor papa ya edi ade ewo Ayeldo it is like Okatakyie Afrifa be kan sim ya na say etwetwe so kakra and also I say he's working with 4 national security guys next what I say beba Kevin Taylor NMBA no national security nipa 4 and nam ebo no ho ban and he's wearing nose mask with a cap or check Kevin Taylor che and also say nose mask just one person obi abehu nanim na adna Kevin Taylor ba no de ho sie Kevin ya de no ade no aba do ho tete Kevin adna yes he's saying he's going to Obuasi but it's actually in Cape Coast to see his mom who lives around the stadium. That's what Chirem said. Kevin Taylor etrese oko Obuasi. That's Obuasi students no. There's oko ho no mo ako console mo ako take update any ade but Obua owo Cape Coast ako hwe ne maame a te ben Cape Coast stadium no area ho no mo no. That's Chirem say e ho na Kevin Taylor e wo sisi. Your government is in power, but you are still hiding from your own shadows in Ghana. You are a coward. Let's say, Afrifa Chirem say, your government is in power. Eye wa ban na wa mamu mu. Wa ban na wo so. Ade na wo za de ho tete e wa wo mamu. Let's say, uye hufo. And asemu a Okatakyie Afrifa e ka no. Just say ya mma jere Kevin Taylor e wo Ghana no. I said the last time I Kevin Taylor make a post on Facebook and Instagram about live, Sunday. Sunday. And I Kevin Taylor your live. Sunday. And about life will be address the silly minority. Or address Abujanapo issue no. Any alawada ye criminal. Or be address
body. Aban way empa kwase bia chew. Aban way will take decisions that will help Ghana as a whole and not to please some foolish individuals in Ghana. Enti say we are Ghana ni me can be say we are teacher training college students. We are nursing training college students. That's I will say alawan won tiasie ya je obetuetia MPP NDC 2028 China to menji certificate kotene fie. Omo omoji mi no omoji loan no. Omo wie school na omo beji certificate no. Sa alawa no ye de besi hospitals. Enkwasiafo ye MPP for 8 years ejiji mu sika eka kire mo se monja alawandi ye besi agenda 111 ebesi nne agenda 111 omo simu mienu pe mienu no omo si e light pe ne bom machine bi anim kwasiafo we no omo dija touch line eka kire mo se eye de pa nurse for mohun me see nobody has regretted substituting eye alawa for a loan. Every single nursing training college student needs to go for loan. So John Mahama ya na adwene say obetam Ghana for sika akɔkyɛ nurse training college ni bi ana teacher training college ni bi a ye nyina be campaign tia no. Nobody in nursing training college, nobody in teacher training college should have access to alawa. Everybody should have access to loan. Loan ne da homun kwaji. Sa alawasika no yedibesi more hospitals. Sene beya mumu bina my ready some person we nursing after school no mubenya hospital ayejuma. This is nobody's going to negotiate with anybody. Many option bia. The option you have is to go for loan. That's it. They can do all the jandam with it. I don't care. Enkwara more school, teacher for more school, they know what I'm talking about. The loan is there. Nobody in Ghana has stopped anybody from accessing loan. There was a reason until 2014, 15, 16. John Mahama, now teacher training, any nursing training, no. Every time I'm being so obi free legon, and I take babiano. Nipano epeje na betri if you say na ni trimuno our degree and a momo diploma student. John Mahama nim say I was someone enjoy the same perks. Or person or to the same status so at said university for send a mobile access to the Emma University for no page chairman say John Mahama wanted you people to be at the same level. So he decided to upgrade you people from diploma and HND to degree. So when you are a degree holder and now you are pursuing a degree course, you equally have the right to have access to a loan. And say obi oko Legon, obi oko Tech, obi oko any government university. And at this point, you know, I didn't know Legon for any Tech for the omon kwajala wanko school. Mumusa monsa question no. So oko nursing training, you upgrade you from HND and I say from diploma, Edward do degree. Now we access to the Legonini, what access to her. Why are you still demanding say yema walawa? I didn't Legon for demand for alawa. Adentina tech for no, they don't demand for alawa because when you get to a degree and you pursue that side now, you have access to loan in our legonini geno. I was say nursing training or did the same loan. Until nobody should take loan and give to you nursing training college student and now who teacher training college student. No, it is even cheating the system. There's a reason why you people were pushing for a degree. And the government of the day, NDC Abino, answer John Mahama Afrifa or upgrading all these schools into a degree. Into degree universities and institutions. Into you cannot be in nursing training. Now one can't say we degree to say obi o legon, but ope alawa ope loan ajia kan alawa ho. No, it will never happen. Access the loan the same way legon for accessing loan no. Access the loan the same way tech for accessing loan no. Nobody is going to double pay any nursing training college student or teacher training college student. San kwasi asem the so twa. Mo amoso mon ti ase no. Mo fa mo jimi free school kwatene fie. These things we will keep saying it. Me I didn't come here to please you. If some about platform we so or started doing my job to please individuals and come in how I didn't come here to please John Mahama and the NDC. I didn't come here to please the MPP. I didn't come to please people who think, say, they are entitled to something. I'm here to let you know the facts. Me we busan for more nursing training. Me we busan for more teacher training. I'm also affected, but I'm not going to make you take alawa and take loan and tell me, say, oh, that we a degree holder to say legonina or as access to only a loan. I will not allow that. It is a mine in such a way it to be equally shared. I'm talking about the national cake. When it comes to the educational sector, it should be shared equally. Anything about free SHS. Free SHS, no, the moment of it senior high school, no, you have access to obi or persec, no, the same thing he or she has access to, no, akrana or what champion, no, also the same access. Anything free, progressively free SHS. Until you cannot tell me, say, you free SHS. Now we call Legon for the anopa. Na eden ya mo bia 2 cities say onko abontin ko to aduane oba no asaba dining hall. No, it's not going to happen that way. No, untimi kan jam say ye free SHS oko eye bekwaya anaso oko kumase prempe ana ekurase prempa ye say ekurase prempe for there anopa no omo teachers no ema obia milk ba ko hye ni nsem ye wia ne asa de oba ko dining say obia nko didi na wo ba eye de school bia ewo ebia school bi kohwe banchire kobo school omo de omo so anopa ne amom koko ro. They are all under free SHS. That is not equal free SHS. We need to make sure, say, equally, bibia pepepe. It is a more from say more a degree holding student. And I say, more pursue a degree course. The same way Legoni pursue degree course, any technique pursue degree course, no. The same way nursing training, you know, any teacher training, you know, pursue degree. You all have access to loan. Nobody's going to give anybody alawa. Alawa sikano, you the chire mine, you the best hospitals. Agenda 111 achichide ne nkwasiafo in MPP for ni jano ho no. John Mahama has to finish it or the alawani sika ni bi ne beye. Unless say mobeka cha mo maame mo say obi antam sika mbra John Mahama no fankosi hospital, which they don't have. Which is not possible, which is never going to happen. Until you people should come to that realization. Me betena ha da enka say yesremo we die yani ametena because of abatwo any numbers abeto ama NDC and MPP. Ye ba ha be kan correct we jimi ana obeto nkwase aba. Unim nyansa na obedi MPP echi. So ye kwase na obedi nkwasiafo we echi mama dada. But if you think about your future and you are smart enough to be in school to understand the say uwie school e wo so onye adwuma ya, you understand the abind person ye ma wo. Ye ti krom ha every regional hospital, district hospital, any chip compound was built. Say enya Kwame Nkrumah the see a big hospital and now a champon. It was built by NDC. The NPP as a political party in Nyanwe, they have not built one regional hospital to their name. So do you think they are planning to build a hospital for one nursing training to get a hospital to work in? No. You need any university or Ghana ha NPP for NAC, none in this country. So do you think say in Kwasi Afuasi for you from MPP, no? They are going to think about your future because the MPP as a political party, no, say a property owning company, and I say party. In fact, it's a company. The NPP is a company because it is a limited liability company. Obia shares omjiji, obia nfaso ano ko. They don't think about the holistic good of the people. Into NPP for who Ghana for some way Jimmy business, and that is what they are doing to the young girls and men more nursing training and the teacher training. I didn't come here to please you. So a political party at NC Regional Hospital that cannot tell me how we to protect the future of a nurse in school. That political party cannot do that. And the foolish political party, the silly minority, which is the NPP, you know, they cannot advise me. They cannot advise John Mahama and the NDC. A political party at NC.
I've been following Kevin Taylor's page. If you're on my life, you be or any Facebook, no, or Trevi be no posty. Picture no posty. On my life, and as I see Kevin Taylor and there. Every day be an our life I want the program no so every day be an the show no our so our address the state where I say Kenyans Assembly Ghana full trimo and I was even expecting Kevin Taylor to address on it enra after say OSP ever declare Kinopuriata as wanted no. I've been checking on Kevin Taylor's page trying the submission I've been following his page say Kevin Taylor pa na this hot story on kasa on I was like, other than a call came to home fan, and I said, day. Ain't it for Okatakyie Afrifa to come and say this, Nadia? I do my soccer crack. Minimal side, but to me personally, that's it. I do my son. Well, over too much that I ever commented. This is what Okatakyie Afrifa has to say about Kevin. Oh, Kevin, ever Ghana, but or didn't want to take. Or didn't want to turn now or Cape Coast Stadium area honor and Kevin Tira will alcohol her mamma. I said, or check our nose max or the car black mo Toyota Hilux. Registration number A5533-23. The one I Kevin Tira now on them security guys 4 and airborne home by my concrete Ghana. Who bet much a comment section. I hype in a blog media.